Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert text into Draw.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to open up Draw.io, and then from here I'm just going to put a square box here and then insert text inside of this box here. So on the left I've just placed a box. Then from here on the left hand side where it says type the search, is pretty much type in text and then click onto the text tab there, and then you'll see a little text pop-up's going to appear in the middle of your work. So from here we can customize the text. We can make the text field larger like so, and also we can make the text larger. So highlight the text on the right, it's currently at 12. We can change this to whatever we like. So I'm going to change it to say 40. Now we can also change the style to heading 1, heading 2, etc. and the font. So you got these different fonts, so we can use any one of these. Now while we're over here, when we click on the text, we can change the style as well. We can arrange it. So this is highly customizable inside of Draw.io. So that's it for this video, how to add text inside of Draw.io.